So since I was last here, they have now completed Barrels of Fun, which is really great to see. They also have some parts out for, I believe this is going to be called the Hypno Twister. But pretty much everything is repainted, just waiting to be installed. Not a ton of progress currently being done on Project Purple over here. Most of the work over the past couple weeks has been done over there on BOF, completing that, getting all that ready. The Nebulas is also up, as well as the Wave Swinger. It's a little hard to see from over here. We'll probably see that a little bit further when we get inside the park. Get some. Oh yeah, there's the flying scooters right there. But yeah, there's not a ton of work being done. They still have to get the Wave Swinger up. I can see parts for that over here. But once they get those up, it's just a matter of just like pouring concrete and stuff and getting all that ready. So I intend on this being more so a Shoreline Pier construction update versus a Project Purple update. Probably when they start working on that tower more, I'll probably come back to Project Purple updates. But for now, I think their main task is getting the Shoreline Pier. And oh boy, it looks like there's a lot of school groups here today. It's that time of the season. I know Hershey was busy this weekend. Or yesterday, but yeah, it's that time of the year again. It looks like they have like these light poles, so these are probably going to be theming elements going up inside the Shoreline Pier. Pretty cool. I heard they repainted some of the arcade buildings. So yeah, that's exciting. So I can't wait to get in and see all the changes they've made. And we have now made it here inside the park. Yeah, probably gonna head down and check out Shoreline Pier, see what we can see, and also cover some changes that have happened here at the park. Batman is still closed. I have no idea when it's going to reopen. I would really like to see us get the effects here at our Batman here at Great Adventure, kind of like the one at Over Georgia and Great America has with all the upgraded effects. I don't think that's what this is. I think they would be a little bit more obvious if it was, but I think this is just maintenance that they're doing. So, but it would really be nice. Hopefully next year we can get that, as well. Of course, a nitro repaint would also really be nice. Looks like they finally had the kiosks open, which is great to see. I really like these, and yeah, basically if you haven't been to Cedar Point, Kings Island, this one's actually upside down right now. But basically, you go up to this machine, and then you can basically select a fast lane. So they're very handy. I'll try to get the one of Jersey Devil over there, as well as El Toro, see if that one's up. But great to see.
Regional hero up there. Up there, Lisa, up and out of here on nitro. See ya, have fun. Bye. Yo, we get on. Bye. Yeah, I love that. Once again, where is on?
So they had this new sign up for what used to be Jersey Devil Barbecue. So I wonder if we're gonna see this turned eventually back into another food stand, or what this is going to become. But we'll have to wait and see. So if we come down here by Jersey Devil, you can see that fast lane kiosk is also up and running. Great to see. Go for a ride on Jersey Devil now. So they have sort of replaced the Skull and Skull Mountain. That is pretty much the typical Six Flags attempt at fixing something like that.
All clear means you guys are all in. I'm here enjoying your ride on Skull Mountain. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Welcome back, riders. Hope you guys enjoy that ride. Once the ride's over, please stop, push up on your lap bars next to your left. Pick up any.
So a big thing that has also happened, kind of a little small thing. The big thing is the flying scooters and the Nebulas is now up. I keep forgetting the name of it, but they have repainted these game stalls. I actually want these to stick around. I don't mind it. They got rid of this ugly yellow and teal and red, and like this actually looks really nice. I kind of don't mind these sticking around now. Wow, so when you come down here, it really just, it looks great. Wow, look at Barrels of Fun over there. Wow, this is my first time being back here since Barrels of Fun is now completed. And yeah, this area is really coming together. So they have poured all the slabs for all the rides. So the wave swinger is probably gonna go right there, and then the flying scooters. Sorry, the wave swinger is gonna go right behind the flying scooters, and then Barrels of Fun, and then I believe the Super Roundup is gonna be back there. So it looks like they have some of these slabs ready to be poured. So at this point, it's just a matter of getting the wave swinger and then the Super Roundup up, and then getting all those rides installed and putting the final touches on the area. So yeah, I'm very much excited for this. So they also have these like little teasers up. So there's Super Roundup, Hypno Twister, Barrels of Fun down here, flying scooters, and then the wave swinger. So at least I keep getting two of these names right. Yeah. So, and also the new teaser for the 2027 coaster is now like kind of like in this like 3D, I don't know. So they also have the control booth for the Super Roundup. No, I actually think that one right there is actually for the wave swinger, sorry. And then there's one right behind that for the Super Roundup. But it's great to see how much progress they've made. I'm also interested to see what Boardwalk Steak and Fries, either Garden State Grill or Totally Chicken become, because I do believe they announced in their press release that will come with some dining upgrades next year. So that'll be great to see. Supposedly there will be like a food stand we are getting this year in that section with like gabagool sticks and like all kinds of different things that you will see on the Jersey Shore. So that'll also be really cool. That's a really good show. I even noticed when they march, they're actually using proper marching band technique to march. Yeah, that's just something I noticed because I used to be in marching band in high school and college. So yeah, that's a really great show. Now back to our regularly scheduled programming. You can see that they have another one of these kiosks over here by El Toro. This one luckily also is functioning. I'm gonna go for a ride on Toro now, so let's go. So Medusa kind of has this like new like imposter train. It looks like with kind of like different restraints. I guess that is the old Medusa colors from what it looks like, but it looks like it has new seatbelts and everything. So yeah, let's go for a ride on this.
Hey guys, welcome back. Was the ride good? Did you guys have a good time?
Rode 2 times in the imposter train, and just so you see, they do have a new kind of like seatbelt right there. Yeah, I definitely think these are the old Medusa colors, but I'm not sure exactly why. I think the train just came back from refurbishment and they just installed those restraints on. They were just different colors. There are some of these traditional green ones on it, but most of them are that old classic Medusa color. So I don't know, we'll have to wait and see what happens.
Yo, I remember seeing a TikTok where like the rhinos were just like on the person's face. Shut up. Do a flip! Yo, that's a rhino. That's a good elephant. Oh, he looks like he's tired.
They know how to fight. Fuck everybody up.
Say that.
Just got off a ride there on Safari Offer Adventure. Haven't done that in like 2 years up to this point. Was in front of a very funny group of 10 from Canada actually, and they were screaming, they were pointing, they seemed like they had a great time. They were a great group. So you can also see there's the Fast Pass kiosk for Joker, and as well as the wait time. Yeah, this one tends to get a little bit busier due to the fact it has horrible capacity. But yeah, it's very nice that they have these kiosks around. So coming back here a couple hours later, it looks like they're starting to paint the maintenance, or sorry, not the maintenance booth, the operator booth, that's it. Yeah, they got this nice reddish color. Looks very cool. Wow, this area is going to just look absolutely fantastic when it's open. I can't wait to see all the rides going. So much kinetic energy. Really happy with the Shoreline Pier. I also really question if they're going to retheme Superman really soon. It's been closed the last like month or so, so hopefully we get word on that. But anyways, guys, that's going to do it from today's Shoreline Pier construction update. Lots of great progress. I'll try to be back as soon as I can to potentially do another of these Shoreline Pier construction updates. Unless there's more progress on Project Purple, then I'll probably do a Project Purple construction update, and I'll throw in a little bit of Shoreline Pier. But anyways, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the fun stuff I got going on here on PANJ Thrills. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.